everybody, my name is Radhika and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, please consider subscribing and click on the bell icon right next to it so that every time I upload a video, you will get notified about it. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Amrutam Kuntal Care Hair Spa. So if you guys want to know my honest thoughts on this product, please keep on watching. Firstly, talking about the pricing of this product, it retails for 649 rupees for 200 ml of product. You can also buy a 3-month pack in which you will get 5 bottles of 200 ml each for 3425 rupees only. Talking about the packaging of the product, all the Amrutam products come in this kind of colorful cardboard box. The actual product comes in a plain simple plastic bottle with a golden color screw top lid, and there is also an inner lid into this which actually prevents the hair spa from spillage and leakage during any travel, which actually makes this packaging very travel friendly. Talking about the ingredients in this product, it contains ingredients like Bhringraj, Amla, Neel, which is also known as indigo, Brahmi, Gudahal, which is known as hibiscus. There is also Baljad in this. There is Nagar Motha, Nimbu Chilka, Mehendi, Sitaphal, clove oil, olive oil, eucalyptus oil, and Grit Kumara, which is also known as aloe vera. All these ingredients work to promote hair growth. It strengthens the hair and also prevents the hair from dandruff and premature graying. It is also effective in fighting the fungus and bacteria of the scalp. These ingredients are 100% Ayurvedic and they work amazingly in making the hair smooth and also making sure that the volume of the hair also increases. Mehendi in this, which is also known as henna, commonly known as henna, it not only adds an amazing aroma into this hair spa, but it also helps in balancing the pH level of the scalp without disturbing the pH of the hair. It nurtures and strengthens the hair and prevents hair thinning. Lemon is known to have astringent properties, and this hair spa has Nimbu Chilka, which is also known as lemon peel, which helps in reducing the sebum production of the scalp while maintaining the pH balance of the hair and scalp. It's not that this hair spa only has Ayurvedic ingredients, but it also has preservatives. But those preservatives are actually very safe to use on the scalp. It is not going to damage the hair and scalp in any way. It's just for preventing this hair spa from getting damaged or getting bad or spoiling. That's the only use of the preservative in this. Other than that, it is not going to affect your hair and scalp in any way. There are 2 ways of using this hair spa, one of them being that you can apply it onto your hair and scalp, leave it overnight and then wash it off the next morning with your usual shampoo and conditioner. And the second way being that you can apply it, if you decide spontaneously to wash your hair, you can just apply it, leave it for 30 to 35 minutes on your scalp and then wash it off with normal shampoo and conditioner. Now talking about my review of this product, I started using this product in around March and it's been more than 2.5 months since I've been using this product. This is actually my second bottle, just to be honest. I have emptied one completely and this is my second bottle. That's how much I love this one. I happen to have very oily scalp and I have dandruff as well, which is why it gets very itchy. So I have basically used every anti-dandruff product available in the market, done DIYs and tried every possible thing that could at least tone down my itching, but nothing had worked as amazingly as this one. In fact, it was so good that it showed its effect within the first few uses itself. I wash my hair twice a week, which is also advisable to do, because if you overwash your hair, if you really want to go like too much, go max to max thrice a week and not more than that, because if you overwash your hair and scalp can actually get very damaged. So I usually wash twice a week and not more than that, and this one bottle lasted me for almost 1.5 months, which was a really great deal. So that way, if I actually invest into the 3-month pack, which costs around 3,425 rupees, there's always generally an off on the total price. But if I invest into that, I will get 5 bottles of the same size and that is actually going to last me for more than 3 months, so it's an amazing deal, to be honest. Now talking about the texture of this product, it has a very slimy texture because it has aloe vera. So generally also when you scrape out aloe vera right from the leaf, you will see that it's very slimy in texture. This similar kind, not exactly the similar kind, but yes, this hair spa is slightly bit slimy when it comes to texture. So if you are someone who has a problem with slimy texture, it can get a bit messy, but if you can keep that thing aside, trust me, this is an amazing product. Also, there are no added fragrances in this whatsoever. The fragrance that you will actually feel in this is just the blend of all the Ayurvedic herbs that are used, and the most part of the fragrance in this product is of henna, which is really soothing for me because I love the fragrance of henna. You know, just personally, I just love the fragrance of henna. So this was like an amazing thing for me. Also, just because it has henna does not mean that it's going to leave any color anywhere. No, it's not going to leave any color whatsoever. It's been blended and it's been made such amazingly that it's not going to leave any color whatsoever. I actually thought that maybe it might leave color because once I was applying it, and it did, you know, fall a little bit on my clothes, like over here when I was applying it. So I thought that maybe it will leave a stain, but I washed it off and it was just gone right there and then. There was no stain on that whatsoever. Since the time I have begun to use this hair spa, the itchiness of my scalp, which is generally due to the dandruff in my scalp, that has reduced 75 to 80%. And there is an amazing henna fragrance in my hair almost all the time. My hair have become soft and shiny. The hair fall has decreased, the volume and, you know, the thickness of my hair, that has increased. I am very happy with this product. It has only done amazing things to my hair. It has also increased the length of my hair, which is yet another pro for me. There are some general instructions that are mentioned on this packaging itself, which I will read it out for you. The tingling or itching sensation is normal. It is the herbs in this oil releasing excess heat and toxins. This recipe is completely natural and the color of the recipe may change over a period. However, the efficacy of the product remains the same. Keep it in shade and shake well before use, which is actually true, because if you don't shake it, you will see that there is, you know, the oil residue on top of this, like, you know, the oil will form on top of it. So if you shake it, you know, before using, all the ingredients will mix up really nicely, and you know, you will get the most benefit of all the ingredients in this particular product. Also, it is true, it will give you a slightly tingling and itching sort of a sensation, not, you know, very much. If it gives you too much of a sensation, I would recommend you to not go for it, but I don't think it's going to give you any kind of that kind of sensation. That would be too much that you cannot really bear it. It will give you slightly tingling sensation, but like it said, that it actually means that all the herbs and all the Ayurvedic ingredients in this is actually working on your scalp, which is why it's tingling a bit. But if it is tingling too much, then just stop using it and wash your hair and scalp right away. All in all, I am in complete love with this product, and I don't think there is ever going to come a time when I am going to stop using this product, except for if the brand actually decides to stop manufacturing it, which I hope they don't. I would rather suggest you that, you know, at least try this product once. I think the small size or the trial pack is also available, like, you know, the travel size is also available. Not really sure. If I find that on the website somewhere, I will leave the information on the screen here, but I think they are available. So if you find that, and if you can, you know, go for the small ones, try it once and see if you feel like too much of, because the only side effect that this product is going to have, or I think it's not going to be a side effect, it's just going to be a little bit effect, is the tingling on the scalp. Other than that, there is not going to be anything else that this product is going to show on your hair and scalp, except for all good things. So I would rather suggest you that try this product at least once. Please just try it once, because I'm sure you're going to love it so much that the next purchase of this product will be the 3-month pack. So with that, we come to the end of this review. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below and let me know how you like this video. I would love to hear it from you guys. Share this video with your family and friends so that you and your family and friends can benefit the most out of this product. The purchase Purchase link of this product is going to be in the description. If you wish to purchase it, you know where to find the link. Follow me on Instagram. The links to all my social media handles are going to be in the description. Also, I have done a reel on this particular product showing how I basically apply it. I will leave the link of that as well in the description. If you wish to go and watch that reel and know how I apply it, you can go ahead and do that. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye guys, stay home, stay safe.